What? So di mo pa rin mahanap si Kanor hanggang ngayon? So what am I paying you for? To take a vacation? What have you been doing? Look, panahon na ba para maghanap ako ng ibang private investigator na kayang gumamit ng Google Maps?
Ang huling balita ko, nasa remote province si Kanor. Hindi ko lang matukoy kung saan.
Yeah, pues tukuyin mo. Okay, look, I'm tired of wasting money on you. Kung hindi mo siya kayang hanapin, I'm gonna start looking for someone who can actually do their job.
Huwag kang magalala, hindi ako titigil sa paghahanap.
Yeah. Hey, babe attorney.
Where are you?
I'm actually headed to your place right now. May dinaanan lang ako. Is Lilette gonna be with us tonight?
Nako, busy kasi siya sa case niya eh.
Oh, that's too bad. You know, I was really looking forward to seeing the both of you. Sayang, para sana may patikim ko man lang sa inyo yung lulutuin ko sana mamaya.
Next time, okay?
Yeah, perhaps. So I'll see you. Okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye. The law may be slow, Attorney Meredith Simmons, but justice is inevitable. And I just so happen to be patient enough to watch it catch up with you, Kanor, Attorney Era Simmons, and Attorney Lilette Matias.
Hello, Ira?
Yes, Lilette. Tungkol dun sa Alarcon case na sinabi ko sa'yo, pupuntahan na lang natin siya sa bahay niya to do an interview. And Renan's picking you up, okay?
Si Attorney Alon?
Yes, kasi may tinatapos pa ako dito sa Keystone eh. Hayaan mo, magkita na lang tayo sa bahay ni Mr. Alarcon sa Binangonan, okay?
Ira?
Sige na. Bye-bye.
Hello? Hello? Attorney Alon?
Sunduin daw kita, sabi ni Era. Tara na, Attorney Lilette.
Sige, nandyan ka na. Pupuntahan na lang kita para hindi ka na umikot. Nandito lang ako sa kabilang street.
Parang tahimik ka ata dyan, Attorney.
Hindi. Iniisip ko lang kasi yung live stream ni Attorney Kurt. May case kasi siya about scam.
Oh, really?
Nascam kasi yung Chong M ko sa text message naman. Tapos may nakabunggo kong babae. Ang sabi niya hinahabol daw siya ng mga scammers. Hindi lang ako sigurado kung totoo.
Scammers. Well, they're certainly everywhere, aren't they? But you know, attorney, some scams don't just involve money. Some scams involve hearts. Don't you think so?
Tama ka naman doon, attorney. May iba't ibang klase ng scams. Minsan, yung mas masakit na scam, ay yung scam natin sa sarili natin na wala tayong nararamdaman kahit meron naman.
Tell me about it. You know, I've scammed myself many times, attorney. Pilit kinukonvince ang sarili na I could escape certain things. Sorry.
Ano nangyari?
Looks like we hit a little snag. Check ko yung makina. But I swear, walang sira tong sasakyan ko eh. You know, funny. How things break unexpectedly. I'll just check the engine, okay?
Attorney Alon? Pasensya na, medyo nakatulog na ako. Ang tagal na rin kasi... hingi na lang ako ng tulong. Baka may malapit na gasoline station dito. Attorney Alon? 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 Attorney Alon?
Kung suswertehin ka nga naman, minsan talaga babagsak na lang ang pagkakataon sa harap mo. Eternal rest grant upon you, and let eternal light shine upon you, Attorney Lilet.
Salamat po. Why aren't you answering my calls?
dito! Ako na dito!
Oh, pre, nakita mo?
Wala dito!
Tulong!
Lilet!
Tulong! Ira! Ira!
Lilet! Ate Lilet? Lilet, anong ginagawa mo dito? Bakit mag-isa ka lang? Akala ko kasama mo si Renan. Kakatapos ko lang ng meeting ko with Mrs. Alarcon.
Iniwan niya yata ako eh. Tapos nagtago ako dun banda kasi may dumating na nakamotor, parang gusto kong saktan.
Iniwan? Bakit kanya iniwan?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
I'm sorry, babe. I can't answer your call right now. I'm busy. Busy thinking about the lingering memories of your sister's tragic demise.
Where are you? Kasama ko si Lilet ngayon. Why did you leave her? Renan! Anong ginawa mo? Bakit mo iniwan si Lilet?
Attorney Lilette, I'm so sorry.
It was stupid of me to assume that she was sleeping in the car. I didn't know.
Akala ko lumipat lang siya sa likod eh.
Renan, you can't be this careless. Lib-lib na lugar to, madilim, tapos walang katao-tao, tapos iniwan mo lang si Lilet? Hindi ko siya pinasabay sa'yo just to give her a one-way trip.
Ano, hindi ko talaga ginusto yung nangyari, Era. Akala ko hindi siya bumaba.
Imposible yung sinasabi mo. Tinatawag pa nga kita eh.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry, I swear. I didn't...
Excuses.
Tama na. Huwag na kayong magtalo. Ang importante naman walang masamang nangyari sa akin at magkakasama na tayong tatlo ngayon.
I'm still kinda pissed, to be honest.
Atty. Alon,
Babe? Babe, are you okay?
Yeah.
Babe, gusto mo sumabay ka na lang sa amin? Balikan na lang natin yung kotse mo.
It's okay, I'll manage. Magsabay na kayo ni Atty. Lilet.
Eh, hindi naman kita pwedeng pabayaan na ganyan.
I'm okay. May gamot ako sa sasakyan. This happened before. I'll be fine. I'm sorry.
Just update me, okay?
Oo.
Kailan ka pa matatapos sa paghihiganti mo, Ren?
Dito ko talaga gusto pag-usapan to, Sam. We've talked about this. Ba't parang ikaw pa yung naiinip? Sam, this is my case to handle, not yours.
Hindi ako naiinip. Nag-aalala ako. That's the right word. Matagal ko na sinabi sa'yo ito noon. This is your enemy's lair. And the sisters? They're not stupid people. Mga abogado din sila katulad mo.
I know. That's why I chose to go for their hearts.
And the more you get closer to them, the easier for them to figure out who you really are.
And the easier for me to keep an eye on the both of them. Look, I went through a lot nung namatay si Mama. You know this, Sam. So hindi ko hayaan na malusutan ako ng dalawang yun just because nag-relax ako. No. This is just the beginning. A starter pack, so to speak. And soon, I'm gonna give them something even scarier than hell.
What are you talking about, Renan?
Nandiyan ka pala, attorney.
May kliyente kasi ako na inapi ng isang powerful family, so nangako ako sa kanila that I'd make them experience hell.
Oh, akala ko kung ano na.
Oh, where's Lilith? Is she still in the building?
Oh, umalis na. Nag-usap lang kami sandali. And you? I think you could use a little break. Gusto mo bang mag-coffee muna tayo sa pantry kahit saglit?
I can't. Hinahabol ko lang to partnership agreement sa isang kliyente eh.
Just a little break, Attorney Renan. Come on.
Oh, speaking of. Yep, sila na itong nag-message. Paano? Attorney Simmons, I gotta go. Sabrina, pakidala na lang sa desk ko ng mga documents.
Okay, sir.
Grabe. Napaka-busy naman ang hotshot lawyer boss mo. Ang dami kong kaagaw sa oras niya.
Sinabi mo pa, attorney.
Okay, I'll go ahead.
Ikaw ang mga agaw.